Okay, so here we go. 1 week to go before the book is released, and here is the great unboxing event. So this came very recently. Let's see what's in it. What have we got in the box? Let's have a look. Look at that. Amazing. Science of gardening. What's that? You're impressed. Winston loves it. He's obviously very impressed. So what comes up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And some more down there. So this is the first arrival of the Science of Gardening out on the 2nd of March, which is a week today. Let's have a look-see inside. There we go. Why do we sow plants at different times of the year? Would you look at that? So you can pre-order now, but for lucky people like me, I've got my mitts on copies early. Beautiful. So you what, grand unboxing of my first copies of the Science of Gardening. Magic.